Boost PC gaming performance with the Chronos series from Skytech Gaming. With the latest Nvidia RTX 3070 graphics card and AMD's 8-core Ryzen 7 3700X processor, the Chronos offers the best gaming gear on the market. Processor, AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core 3.6GHz CPU, 4.4GHz max boost. Motherboard, B550M motherboard card, Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 8GB GDDR6 graphics card, brand may vary. Memory, 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory for games. Power supply, 650W 80+ gold certified. Main power supply, 1TB M.2 Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Operating system, Microsoft Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Case, Skytech Chronos White Edition gaming case with front mesh. Fans, 4 dual fans RGB ring.